My name is Jessie Lesit. I'm a judge of the High Court of Kenya. I'm the chairperson of the Bail and Bond Implementation Committee. Now, bail is the authorization for a person to be at liberty instead of being in custody on condition that he shows up for his trial. Bond is a document that is executed either by the accused person alone or with a surety, also binding themselves that the accused person will show up for their trial. Since 2010, whether your offense is murder, robbery with violence, or simple offenses, everyone has a right to be released on bail. So a person who is facing a charge, they are innocent until they are proved guilty by the prosecution, or unless they plead guilty. So even if the charge is murder, they will be entitled to bail because they are presumed innocent. That is what the law is. Unless there are compelling reasons why you should not be released, and those ones must be proved by the prosecution, then you must be released. So that is the condition. The Bail and Bond Implementation Committee, its term has come to an end, and we are going to have a high-level launch. Now, during that meeting, we expect the Chief Justice to be the guest of honor because we shall be handing over certain reports to him, including the end-term report of the committee. And during that meeting, we shall also be handing over very important documents, IEC materials, and then we shall also have material that will be used for training of key stakeholders. Of course, we want to showcase the kind of things that we have been doing because we have done a lot as a committee, and we have come up with a lot of material that is very, very important for bail and bond implementation and administration going forward. And of course, the perceptions of the people are also very critical. They do feel that maybe the rich are treated better than the poor. That's a very difficult perception to deal with, but maybe we need to talk more with the people so that they can be able to understand. The truth of the matter is, I would like the Kenyans to know that bail is a right to every person appearing before the court. So that's what I would like the Kenyans to know, and they be more polite. When people deal with persons facing all sorts of offenses and they are granted bail, they should be polite and not be so agitated that they have been granted bail, because we are trying to also comply with what the law says.